What's up, girlfriends? So I'm back with another video as promised. So in my previous video, I did a beauty supply store haul where I picked up some hair for my new passion twist that I'm getting ready to install. And so I kind of wanted to give you a quick recap real quick. So that's what this clip is right here, just showing you, reminding you what the hair looked like in the packaging. So if you wanted to go out and get it, you could. But also the reason for me doing this video is to alleviate some of the itch that comes with adding extensions in your hair. So follow along with me on this video to see how I prep the hair to avoid the itch. Okay, so first things first, you want to start running your water and get it at a nice warm temperature. Then you want to also make sure that you have a clean, deep bucket. I'm using two here because I didn't have one deep bucket, and you want to make sure that the hair is totally submerged under the water. So use what you need, and just make sure that it's clean and it's deep enough to, for your hair to be submerged under the water. So we're going to be using apple cider vinegar, and you'll also need a measuring cup. I'm using this quarter cup measuring cup, and I'm just going to fill that about halfway for each bucket. This is my first time doing this. I didn't want to use too much, so I figured about a half a cup, half of the quarter cup was good enough. Okay, so now you're going to take your braiding hair, you're going to go ahead and open up the package, and it comes in this netting here, this net cap. And I think next time I'll actually just leave the net cap on just so hair doesn't get tangled. As I said, I'm using 7 packs, and I think just next time it'll help prevent the hair from tangling as it's all in the water. But anyway, you want to put your hair down in the water. Like I said, you want to completely submerge it, and then you just want to let it sit. You can see as I'm putting the hair down in the water, I'm kind of like swishing it around a little bit, and that's just to kind of get that apple cider vinegar, mixed up into the water. So after we've done all that, we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back. Okay, so after it's sat for about 30 minutes, you want to go ahead and rinse off the hair completely. You want to rinse it off maybe about 2 to 3 times just to make sure you get all of that apple cider vinegar smell out of there. You don't want your hair smelling like apple cider vinegar, when you're looking cute. So make sure you rinse thoroughly. I'm gonna add some shampoo to the mix because, yeah, I don't want the apple cider vinegar smell. So this is just kind of like a follow-up. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I mean, I don't want to be smelling like apple cider vinegar. So I went ahead with just a light shampoo. This is Shea Moisture. I forget which one it was. I'll leave it on the screen there for you if you didn't see the packaging. I know that was kind of quick. But yeah, I followed up with a shampoo, and then I made sure I rinsed all of that out really, really thoroughly as well. After shampooing, I'm going to go in with some conditioner just to kind of soften up the hair and give it a really nice smell. Yeah, we don't want any traces of that apple cider vinegar. So we're going to leave that to sit for 30 minutes as well. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. The hair has been sitting in this conditioner water, so it's nicely conditioned. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse both of these buckets out thoroughly to make sure we get all the suds out and the soap out and everything. and then you'll just be ready to go ahead and hang dry the hair. So now I'm just going to use some hangers to hang the hair on and let them air dry. And this is what it's looking like as it's air drying. So this is what the hair looks like after it's all dried. As you can see, it turned out just a little bit frizzy, so the next time I won't swish it around in the water, and I will definitely leave the nets on. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. It's all ready to be installed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video where I prep my hair for installation of the Passion Twist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a like on your way out. Bye.